Welcome traders to my channel Trade Next Day. Here we will try to identify the possible trading levels in Nifty and Bank Nifty for the upcoming trading sessions. So let's start and quickly have a look at Nifty chart. Okay, prices have been trending inside this channel over past few trading sessions and mostly dominated by the bears. And now we are trading on the lower end of the channel. So I have tried to identify a possible support zone in the market. That possible support zone could range between 11,200 and 11,100. Yes, that zone could range between 11,200 and 11,100 odd levels. Going forward in the market, there could be two scenarios. First scenario has a 70% chance of conversion, while the second scenario has a 30% chance of conversion. Let's talk about scenario 1. Scenario 1 is a clear case of a pullback due in the market. Now why I am saying this is because prices tend to revert back to their long-term averages, which is also known as reverting back to the mean or mean reversion, whatever you want to call it. If Nifty somehow manages to close above 11,350 on an intraday basis, then our case of this pullback will be confirmed as prices will move back inside this channel. But this pullback should not be confused with an uptrend until and unless this channel is broken on the upside. Okay, moving to our second scenario. Before discussing our second scenario, I would like to draw your attention to this stochastic here. If you can see carefully, this stochastic has an additional feature, which is this black bar. This black bar is known as false bar. This false bar appears on the chart whenever there is a trend in the market, like this one. If you can see, there was a downtrend and we had a false bar here. But in the range market, no false bar at all. So coming back to our discussion, and the scenario 2 is that now false bar reading has just appeared on the charts today, if you can see here. So there could be a continued momentum on the downside in Nifty, but that level will only be confirmed if we manage to close below 11,100 on the downside. Yes, I am repeating that again. If we manage to close below 11,100 in Nifty, then only further shorts should be initiated in the markets. Well, that's all for Nifty today. Bank Nifty also has a similar pattern like that in Nifty. It is trending inside a channel mostly dominated by the bears and trading on the lower end of the channel. So similar scenario of 30% and 70%, pullback and everything is same. Now the zone which might just act as a support for Bank Nifty in the coming trading session is 29,100 and 28,850. This zone might just act as a support for Bank Nifty. But there is a case of false bar here also, and the downside momentum might continue. Now only time will tell us in which direction we are going. If our analysis goes wrong, then we will come up with corrections in our next trading video. So till then, traders, keep your stop losses tight and stick to your money management rules, for there is always a trade next day.